Find your perfect product and supplier in minutes. SaleHoo is a powerful research tool, supplier directory, and online community for dropshippers, wholesalers, and e-commerce stores. Since 2005, SaleHoo has helped over 137,000 people just like you start and grow their online business. SaleHoo is an easy-to-use tool that helps online sellers find profitable products from certified Here's how to get the most out of SaleHoo. SaleHoo Market Research Labs discover and compare profitable product ideas, spot hot selling trends and in-demand products before anyone else does. Discover which products have the highest profit margins and sell-through rates. Find lucrative product ideas and low-cost suppliers who stock them. SaleHoo Supplier Directory. Quickly find trustworthy dropshipping and wholesale suppliers. Set specific search criteria to quickly filter through over 8,000 local and global suppliers. Organize supplier details and safely negotiate the lowest cost for your products with no minimum orders. Get insider deals from suppliers, only available to SaleHoo members. Smart Seller Training. Get a world-class education in sourcing and selling online. Help for beginners with our e-commerce glossary, video tutorials, and online selling guides. Step-by-step training on dropshipping, finding products, choosing suppliers, and more. Learn from other successful sellers and fast-track your success in our online community. Award-winning support. With SaleHoo support, you never sell alone. Access unlimited one-on-one support via phone, email, live chat, and Facebook. Get help beyond the basics with our trade show directory, online store builder, and research concierge service. Say goodbye to confusing dashboards. SaleHoo is simple, friendly, and easy to use.